This ain't coming from no prophet, just an ordinary man. When I close my eyes, I see the way this world shall be when we all walk hand in hand. When the last child cries for a crust of bread, when the last man dies for just words that he said, when they're sheltered over the poorest head, we shall be free. When the last thing we notice is the color of skin, and the first thing we look for is the beauty within, when the skies and the oceans are clean again, we shall be free. We shall be free. We shall be free. Stand straight and walk proud. We shall be free. When we're free to love anyone we choose, when this world's big enough for all different views, when we all can worship from our own kind of view, then we shall be free. Yeah. We shall be free. We shall be free. Have a little faith, hold out, we shall be free. And when morning talks for the very last time, and nobody walks a step behind, and there's only one race, and that's mankind, then we shall be free. We shall be free. We shall be free. Stand straight, walk proud, have a little faith, hold out. We shall be free. Oh, we shall be free. We shall be free. Stand straight, stand straight, have a little faith, walk proud. We shall